position. The estimated weight is 2.00 kilogram. Has intermittent heavy vaginal bleeding due to placenta previa. She took 1 dose of morphine 1 hour ago. She got massive episode of bleeding, and the obstetricians will do start cesarean section for her in the next 10 minutes. The baby is expected to be flat.
So I'll go to my team, Amal and Dr. Muhammad, and I'm gonna update you. We're expecting a delivery, 34-weeker. Mother is having heavy vaginal bleeding. The baby is expected to be weight 2 kgs, I mean, and then the baby is expected to be flat. So I'm gonna assign you Amal for airway. And Dr. Muhammad, please take care of the medication. Okay. And if we will need help, we will call an ICU.
Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
Preparing medication.
Yes. What is the doses? What is the ETT size? What is the plate size?
The plate size will be 0. The ET tube will be 3.
Yes.
And then for the medication, just prepare epinephrine
Excellent.
0.6
It's okay.
ml. And
1 minute pause for checking the equipment. Now the baby is delivered.
Okay.
Baby is flat, apneic.
Okay, so the baby is flat and apneic. We will.
Yes. These 3 questions of the initial assessment.
Is the baby crying?
Not crying.
Is the baby breathing?
Not breathing.
And tone?
No tone.
Okay, so suction the airway, suction the mouth.
This is the initial steps.
Suction the
Yes,
nose.
excellent.
Sniffing position.
Yes, excellent.
Then stimulate while
Mashallah.
drying.
MashaAllah.
The baby is.
Excellent.
Is the baby?
It's okay. Actually, after the initial steps, still the baby limping, not crying, and the heart rate is 90.
Okay, I'm gonna start baby. Please attach pulse oximetry before you start.
Yes, excellent. The monitoring, pulse oximeter.
Okay,
Yes.
touch.
Breath 2, 3. Breath 2, 3. Breath 2, 3. Breath
Dr.
2,
Muhammad,
3.
please
Breath
auscultate.
2, 3.
Okay.
Breath 2,
Auscultating the
3.
lung.
2, 3. Breath 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 2, 3. Breath
Audible
2,
breath
3.
sound.
30-second pause, and the heart rate is 60.
60. Continue baby, please.
Breath 2, 3. Breath 2, 3.
And then
Heart
check
rate is
Mr.
in
Sopa.
60.
Sorry.
Yes, Mr. Soba, yes.
Yes.
Corrective ventilation steps.
Yes.
Be sure before you start the compression.
Yes.
There is effective ventilation.
Okay, we can suction.
Yes,
also.
excellent.
Yeah. Increase the
M.
pressure.
Yes,
Increase the fire flow.
excellent, excellent.
Breath
You know, already corrective ventilation steps done.
Yes.
So, and still heart rate 50.
Okay, Amal, please prepare for intubation. I'm gonna
Yes.
take care of.
Call
I'm gonna
help.
take over and
Increase
call help
oxygen.
from NICU.
Tubate.
Breathe 2, 3.
Connect the electronic monitor.
Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3.
Prepare.
Breathe 2,
Equipment for
3.
intubation already.
3.
Yes, good.
Breathe 2, 3. Okay, Amal. Assuming staff physician, so
Excellent.
intubate, please.
Excellent. Patient intubated. How to confirm the tube is in?
CO2 detector.
Yes, a primary method. So heart rate increase and CO2 detector will change it from purple to yellow. It's okay.
Breathe 2, 3.
Checking
Breathe
the
2,
lungs.
3. Breathe
Yes.
2, 3. Breathe 2, 3.
Excellent. Auscultation the chest and abdomen.
Audible breath sound.
It's okay. So we will confirm the tube is in now.
Okay,
It's okay. We'll assess. Yes.
Breathe 2, 3. Breathe 2, 3.
Where is the compression?
yeah.
Who will do compression?
Yeah, but we will assess. I
Yes,
heard you.
excellent.
Okay, so we will start. Okay, compression. Start compression, Dr. Muhammad, please. Okay, Amal.
You already you call for help. You increase the oxygen to 100. You intubate the patients. You connect to electronic monitor. So now you are
1 and 2 and 3.
coordinate the ventilation and compression.
1 and 2 and 3 and breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and breathe.
1 minute pass and the heart rate now is 40.
1 and 2 and 3 and breathe.
Okay. Prepare for central line, please, and medication.
Yes.
1 and 2 and 3 and breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and
Ready
breathe.
for IV
1 and
insertion.
2 and
Yes.
3 and
Inserted already.
1 and 2 and 3
Inserted.
and breathe.
IV line.
Epinephrine.
1 and 2 and 3 and breathe.
Give epinephrine, please. The first
1
dose
and
of
2 and 3
epinephrine,
and breathe.
How much, please?
0.6 ml.
Okay, 0.6 ml of epinephrine given for IV.
Excellent.
Flush
Flush
it
it.
with the normal saline of
Yes,
10
flush it.
ml.
Yes,
Okay,
excellent.
flushing with 10 ml and normal saline.
It should be 20.
Heart rate assessed now is 70.
70. Okay, stop chest compression,
Excellent.
please.
Continue.
Continue, PBB. Breathe to 3, breathe to 3, breathe to 3.
30 second pass and the heart rate 130. Baby, show some breathing. Start to move limb.
Okay, either decrease gradually
Excellent.
oxygenation or shift to intensive care unit,
For
post station.
post resuscitation care.
Yes.
Thank you. Well done.